How to fix the issue of your Samsung device running slow. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to turn off all your background application. So simply go to All tab and click on Close All, as sometimes the application running in the background can cause the performance problem. After that, go to Settings, go to App Management, and if you are having a particular problem with some application, go to that application and go to Storage. Clear the cache for that particular application, as sometimes collected cache can also cause the problem in performance. Even after following all this step, if your problem is not solved, simply restart your device. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to fix the issue of running slow. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.